several U.S. federal government agencies have been hit in a global cyber attack that exploits a vulnerability in widely used software. The U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency is providing support to several federal agencies that have experienced intrusions affecting their MOVID applications. Eric Goldstein, the agency's executive assistant director for cybersecurity, said in a statement on Thursday to CNN, referring to the software impacted. "We are working urgently to understand impacts and ensure timely remediation." It was not immediately clear if the hackers responsible for breaching the federal agencies were a Russian-speaking ransomware group that has claimed credit for numerous other victims in the hacking campaign. A CISA spokesperson had no comment when CNN asked who carried out the hack of federal agencies and how many have been affected. Agencies were much quicker Thursday to deny they'd been affected by the hacking than to confirm they were. The Transportation Security Administration and the State Department said they were not victims of the hack. CISA Director Jen Easterly told MSNBC on Thursday that she was confident that there will not be significant impacts to federal agencies from the hacks because of the government's defensive improvements. But the news adds to a growing tally of victims of a sprawling hacking campaign that began 2 weeks ago and has hit major U.S. universities and state governments. The hacking spree mounts pressure on federal officials who have pledged to put a dent in the scourge of ransomware attacks that have hobbled schools, hospitals, and local governments across the U.S. Johns Hopkins University in Baltimore and the university's renowned health system said in a statement this week that sensitive personal and financial information, including health billing records, may have been stolen in the hack. A Russian-speaking hacking group known as CLOP last week claimed credit for some of the hacks, which have also affected employees of the BBC, British Airways, oil giant Shell, and state governments in Minnesota and Illinois, among others. The Russian hackers were the first to exploit the vulnerability, but experts say other groups may now have access to software code needed to conduct attacks.